What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the missing entry PCA Wallpaper App Detect on your Windows that you may be getting. So this is like a weird error that pops up that says like some DLLs missing for this PCA App Detect wallpaper thingy. So I'm going to show you what to do to basically fix this error. All you need to do is go to your search bar and type in Task Scheduler until you see this pop up. In here, you want to click this open, the task scheduler library, then click open Microsoft, then click open Windows, and where it says application experience, just click onto it once, and in here you're going to see something that says the PCA Wallpaper App Detect, which is what is causing the issue, and it even tells you detect third-party wallpaper apps. You'll basically see this as ready. You want to essentially disable this feature, and then you can enable it again, but you want to basically disable this and then restart your computer, because this is what's basically causing the error on your computer. So once you disable this, restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you will not have that error persist any longer. Yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the thumbs up. Guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification, and that tutorials out. Peace.